Welcome to the 2021 Rail Digi Expo from the whole team here in the Rail Alliance and at the Birmingham Centre for Railway Research and Education at the University of Birmingham here in the UK. My name is Jenny Illingsworth. I'm Deputy Director of the Centre and of Rail Alliance, and I'm delighted to welcome you here today. The Rail Alliance is the UK's largest business-to-business community working in the rail supply chain. We have over 800 companies in the community. These range from micro-sized 1 or 2 people organisations right the way through to Tier 1 OEM large companies. As a result, we have the broadest representation of the rail supply chain and the widest reach of any organisation working with suppliers in the rail industry. Our purpose is to facilitate networking throughout the supply chain so that people and organisations can collaborate and innovate so ultimately their businesses can grow and they can thrive. We exist at the very heart of the railway supply chain. We don't just work in the UK though. Rail Alliance is founding member of the European Rail Clusters Initiative, and this means we have close ties with the 26 other clusters throughout mainland Europe. And we also work fully internationally, which of course is why we're here at Rail Digi Expo 2021 this week. The international rail market continues to grow and develop, and we see this every day. Despite the best efforts of the COVID-19 pandemic, which has seen global public transport usage plummet, rail transportation of people and goods remains viable, efficient, and let's face it, really quite pleasant. I personally much prefer taking the train than driving. In the UK alone, the mainline railway is made up of over 2,500 stations. It comprises nearly 16,000 kilometres of route and employs easily 240,000 people. And that's just the UK, of course. Before the pandemic moved us towards virtual meetings and working from home, rail passengers had grown to over 1.8 billion journeys, between them travelling more than 680 billion kilometres. Again, that's just the UK. The effect of this demand has created a pipeline in the UK worth over £100 billion, and that's across projects like new build, but as well maintenance, upgrade, electrifications, new stations, improved stations, which altogether mean huge opportunities for the global supply chain. Similar opportunities, of course, exist around the world, and here in the Rail Alliance, we want to bring this good news and the details of projects and of opportunities to any company supplying anything in the railway. Here in the UK, October 2020 saw a new rail technical strategy, which sets a clear direction for the development and uptake of existing and new solutions. It aims to align thinking and action to promote world-class rail expertise, to guide research and innovation, and most importantly, to stimulate the rail supply chain towards innovative solutions. Its priorities are for an easy-to-use railway. We're looking for low emissions and decarbonisations. We want to optimise train operations and ultimately create a reliable railway which is easy to maintain and, of course, make use of data. And ultimately, these will aim to create happy customers, a vibrant industrial sector for rail, and one which is economically strong, as well as a better environment and mitigations against climate change. Our colleagues in the Birmingham Centre for Railway Research and Education at the University of Birmingham in the UK are working on new ideas and new research towards all of these goals. And conversely, at the Rail Alliance, we're bringing these technologies and bringing information and opportunities to the market. We're supporting companies to apply them into their own products and services so that they can meet the challenges of the global railway for the 21st century. However, there are more opportunities than just research and innovation. The University of Birmingham and our sister organisation, the National College for Advanced Transportation and Infrastructure, are all about education and skills development. What's the point of having great products and services and great ideas if you don't actually have the skills to implement them after all? So in rail, we already teach very popular and very successful master's programmes in railway systems engineering and integration and in railway safety and control systems. We also offer undergraduate engineering degrees which have specialisms in rail. And of course, that not everything is a full-on programme. We can offer short, continuing professional development style courses as well. The National College provides much needed skills and teaching at pre-undergraduate level. These include short courses, they include training courses and apprenticeships, as well as access to higher education programmes. Each of us is able to transfer this education and training internationally, And indeed, here at the University of Birmingham, we've recently signed an agreement in India to provide a joint master's programmes. And we have been in discussions for education and study programmes with railway organisations all over the globe. We are honoured and delighted as Rail Alliance and the Birmingham Centre for Railway Research and Education to be an industry sponsor of this year's Rail Digi Expo. I've already had a quick look round the online event. It looks amazing. And I would like to thank the whole team from Crescendo Worldwide who have worked incredibly hard to put this exhibition and conference together. And I look very much forward to connecting with you over the next few days here at Rail Digi Expo. Thank you.